Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this Korean side dish, which is the Korean corn cheese. You will need about 3 cans of whole kernel corn, half of an onion, imitation crab shredded, 1 tablespoon of butter, mozzarella cheese, mayo, sugar, and black pepper. First, you're going to want to open all of your can of corn and drain all the liquid out of the can. Next, take your onion and go ahead and medium dice it. Place the onions inside the bowl with the corn, and then go ahead and get your shredded imitation crab and shred it into the same bowl. Next, take the mayo and put about 5 to 6 tablespoons of mayo, using with a teaspoon of black pepper and a tablespoon of sugar. Go ahead and mix well. Get a pan and melt the butter on medium heat. Once it's melted, go ahead and place the corn mixture into the same pan. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, making sure to stir it occasionally so that it doesn't burn. Then I'm going to turn off the heat, and with my round baking pan, I'm going to transfer the corn mixture onto the pan. This recipe allows for 2 whole baking pans. Then take the shredded mozzarella cheese and place it on top of the corn. Put as much as you would like or as little as you like, depending on how cheesy you want it. Next, you're going to place the pans uncovered into the oven and broil for 3 minutes. And that's it. You may serve immediately by itself or as a side dish. Enjoy!